In this video, we will be showing you how you can fix Bluetooth headphones that are not connecting on your Galaxy Watch 8. First is to do basic checks and repairing. This means that you have to swipe down on your watch for a quick panel and then tap the Bluetooth to ensure that it is on, and keep the devices close to each other. Now put your headphones in the pairing mode and power cycle your Galaxy Watch 8 and your phone. Then try pairing again. Now how to repair both of the devices. First is for your watch. Head to the settings and find the connections and then click the Bluetooth. Tap the gear next to it or next to your headphones and select unpair. Then find them in the list again and then tap to repair it. Another tip is for advanced troubleshooting. You can check the permissions, you can also reset the network setting, and force restart the watch. And how you can do force restart? Press and hold the power button until the watch restarts. This can fix any glitches that you are encountering. And that's how you can fix Bluetooth headphones that are not connecting on your Galaxy Watch 8. And thank you for listening.